This is how to use your Bitmojis that look like this and this in Canva. Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Laressa Ngoeun here, realtor with eXp Realty here in Drumheller, Alberta, Canada, aka, yes, you know it, dinosaur capital of the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Bitmojis in Canva. So first off, if you are new here, please subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and please follow me on Instagram at Ngoeun Living. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so how can we use our Bitmojis in Canva? Well, disclaimer here. This only works if you have Chrome. And to do this, you need the Chrome extension. But before all of this, first you need to have a Bitmoji account. So what you want to do is download the app on your phone, create an account, create your Bitmoji or avatar, and make sure you have that on your phone. Create it so she looks beautiful, she looks like you. Does it look like me? I think the hair is pretty on point. So create your Bitmoji, have fun doing that. So once you've created your account, your avatar, now what we're going to do is go into the Chrome Web Store. So if you just search on Google Chrome Web Store, you should be brought to this page right here. And now what we want to do is search for Bitmoji. And then I've already have this extension on my Chrome here. So just go ahead and add it to your Chrome, log in with your account, and then it should be highlighted right on the left or the right hand side here where all your Bitmojis will be. So I'm just gonna log in. Okay, is it working now? Okay, there we go. So we are logged in. Now that we have the extension on Chrome, we are logged in. Now go ahead and open Canva. So here we are at the dashboard, the home screen. So let's just click on, let's just do an Instagram post. We'll just hit blank for now so I can show you exactly how we can import these Bitmojis into Canva. So let's go to our right hand side, click the Bitmoji. Let's see which one we want to use. Let's just use a random one here. Coffee, this coffee one right here. So what you want to do is right click on your mouse, save image as. I'm just gonna put one and save that to your downloads. And then from here, we are just going to drag it into the uploads section. And now it has downloaded it as a PNG, so there's no background to the Bitmoji, and it looks like that. And you can do this for every single one, because I've used a lot of the Bitmojis for lots of my posts here. As you can see, a whole bunch. And that is pretty much it on how to add your Bitmojis to your Canva. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Ngoeun Living. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye friends, happy creating.